Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or not working, so you can launch your games without any issues. First, restart your PC, because temporary system glitches can stop the launcher from opening properly. Next, run the Rockstar Games Launcher as an administrator to avoid permission problems. After that, open Task Manager and end any Rockstar or Social Club processes. Then try launching it again. You should also check your antivirus or firewall and make sure they are not blocking the launcher. Another important step is to update your graphics drivers and Windows system to the latest version for better compatibility. If the issue still continues, go to the Launcher folder and delete cache files to remove corrupted data. Then reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher and Social Club completely for a clean setup. Finally, restart your PC and open the launcher again, and it should start working normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.